Flashloop AI app, super popular app, text-to-video AI creator, generate epic AI videos from text or image in seconds, powered by Google Veo 3 for realistic motion and sound. Perfect for TikTok shorts and ads. Try and create now. Flashloop AI video generator and text-to-video maker. Transform your ideas into stunning AI videos in seconds with Flashloop, ultimate text-to-video and image-to-video AI creator. Powered by Google cutting-edge Veo 3 and Veo 2 models, generate cinematic videos from simple text prompts, no editing skills required. Unlock professional quality videos instantly. Quite popular app. They also have some really nice referral codes. I will just share it with you so you can get some discount. So here, as you can see, I got like 49,000 credits for referring people. So here you can see 155 referrals I've got. So here is my code. You can just use this referral code, and then yeah, you can make videos about Flashloop and earn $50 for 100,000 views. But yeah, feel free to use it, and then you can just use all of these templates, like all of these funny templates, and then you can just, all right, so even with a lot of you need to have upgrade even with a lot of referrals. Otherwise you can just create video, image to video, text to video, aspect ratio, AI enhance, and then you select which kind of model you want to use, Sora 2 or Veo 3. So here you can just use Sora 2, aspect ratio, and then you just kind of create like that. And then it consumes 3,000 credits just for 10 seconds. Wow, that's a lot. So let's just try it out. Cat. For example, AI enhanced prompt and then creating video. So it's super like expensive actually, the video processing. And you can see this can take anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes depending on the server load. Pull down to refresh, enable notification to know when they are ready. And that's basically the idea in here. So yes, you can see it's still kind of taking time. Yeah, it's taken really like at least 35 minutes. Maybe if you upgrade it, you can do it much faster.